We've got a lot to cover, so let's get right into it. Before I begin, I have to start with the first rule is a little disclosure. So I'm gonna be covering a lot of information, a lot of really good information, a lot of stuff that I hope will make you a better trader. But what we're going through is for educational purposes only. I'm here to teach you. It's not investment advice, it's not legal advice, it's not tax advice, right? We're going to give you a lot of education, a lot of things that'll make you a better trader, but it is just that, education. So if you see something and do something based on what we're discussing, it is your fault. We're just here to teach. And so with that, I want to welcome you to Trading VIX Waves. The VIX, how it works and how to trade it. I'm going to show you a lot of information. But before we get to that, let me talk about what might be my favorite subject, which is me. I was a floor trader on the American Stock Exchange in New York for a couple of years, and then for near a decade on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Traded probably 4 mid-markets and 400 some odd stocks. After that, I looked around at the world and realized, you know what, there's a lot of people talking options, but nobody that's teaching people to think like a professional. You got a lot of, we've got some great guests here. Tony, a guy I knew from the floor, guy I know from Chicago. He's another one that's going to talk about thinking like a professional.